guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite right now. And I'm going to show you guys the best settings for Fortnite. So it can look like this and your FPS can be like this. It renders everything and my computer is extremely good, so that also is a factor. But even if you don't, you can still make it look good and everything. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so hold up. I'm building for some. Alright, so let's go into settings and let's go to the video right here. Window mode is windowed. 1920 needs to be the first number, and then it should be like 1080, 1032. VSync, make sure it is off. Depending on how many, depending on the frame rate limit on your computer, if it can go up to 240 frames per second, make it 360. Alright, make it just one above. If it's 360 or higher, just make it 360. Alright. You can make it unlimited if you want. And then for rendering mode, do not do DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. Do performance. It says performance mode offers significant performance gains by disabling most rendering features. Right? To reduce memory usage and lighten the load on CPU and GPU. If it lightens the load, it's good. DirectX 12 is dual graphics API and might offer a performance increase over Direct 11, and it is required to enable nanite, which dynamically. So basically, just set it to performance or graphical fidelity. Brightness is 100. User face contrast 1, and colorblind mode. So I say it should be Trite Note because this is what it looks like off. People say it looks like mobile. I've never played on mobile. I don't know. But yeah, I don't like that. I like how weird it is, right? Then we go, okay, well then let's set it to Detronote, right? We set it to Detronote. Now it just looks old and musty. To me, it looks worse than all mobile. Just look at these colors. Yeah, it's dark green, but everything else is just weird. So, unless you really needed it, don't use it. Then we have Fortnite, which also is kind of old and musty. A little bit better. And Trite Note is my personal favorite. So I go on Trite Note. Make sure colorblind strength is 7. 3D resolution 100%. Everything is off or to the lowest. So near, low, off, off, off. Okay. Next, we're going to go into the game. For matchmaking region, a lot of people think they'll put it on auto, but it can connect you to Oceania or Brazil, because it just picks a server with the best connection. So it could put you around Oceania, even though you're better at NA, right? Because some regions have split-tier players, where some don't, right? So for don't never put it on auto, just put it on the one above, right above auto. For language, pick your language. Toggle sprint on, auto open doors off, mantle activation, hold jump, hold the swap pickup off, toggle targeting off, mark danger and targeting on, auto pick up weapons off, auto sort consumables to right off, and then preferred item slots on, assault rifle. So here are my item slots. Assault rifle, shotgun, SMG utility, consumable item. Auto start, yeah, and then reset, building choice off, disable pre-edit option on, because if you don't disable it, boom, you box them in, and you have to let go of that. Something, what the heck? That's not disable. Oh, disable pre-edit option. Okay, because look, I'm building. Oh no, I can't place the floor. Oh look, I just placed the floor right here. Yay! How is this gonna help, right? So like you could be building, so I recommend not do that. So I recommend to disable or to have it on because that disables it. Turbo building on, confirm edit on release. It's up to you. If it's off, you could do, don't know why I did that. See? Boom. It's easier that way. Like that. It's easier that way. But if you wanted to go fast, then you would want to turn this on. If you wanted to edit extremely fast. So for me, like that. I'm just using the mouse, by the way. Boom. So, yeah, I have it on because I like it. Alright, next we're going contextual tips off and review off, invert airborne, turbo delete on, NVIDIA highlights off, preferable lighting off, tap to search, interact on, report performance stats disabled, and then everything is off for the replays except for recorded replays unless you really want to record your replays. HUD scale is 75%. Show spectator count is on. So everything should be on except for show spectator count. And net debug stats and quest progress. Here I don't use touch of motion. Mouse and keyboard. Depending, if you keep your mouse still like this, you probably want it on X and Y axis sensitivity to be around 10 to 13. Otherwise, if you do like this, like you move it around a lot, probably around like 5 to 10. For target sensitivity, around like 40 to 50 or something. Or no, 30 to 40. And scope sensitivity, speaking of which, I gotta turn this down just a notch. Alright, scope sensitivity around 60 to 70. Ignore gamepad output off. Lock input method as mouse on. Use custom manuals off. Sensitivity multiplier for aircraft steering 100%. Invert aircraft mouse controls off. And then steer tank with camera off. I don't know. I don't use controller. Audio, it can be whatever you want. Just make sure you have visualized sound effects on. If someone's coming up behind you, it'll show a little curve with feet. And that means someone's coming up behind you. So it's harder to sneak up behind you. For my movement, I have all of this. The only thing that a lot of people I use is for building edit. I use F and the middle mouse button. I should click it down. So here, I'll show you. Well, actually, I did show you, right? You go in. G, alright. And I can change my mats. Alright, so I want you guys float people. I've been trying and I want to know if this is good. No. You can hear my keyboard is going crazy. Boom. So yeah, guys, in the next video, I might be teaching, not in the next video, but I might be teaching you how to create 90s, maybe how to get better with your shotgun, with your shotgun ammo. And, of course, alright, so you want to log into this map, which is in the description down below, right here on screen, bottom on screen, right here, and then in the left corner. And I'm going to be saying it to you guys right now. The map code is 9496-3304-5859. Then you spawn like right here. You want to go to the vault, and right here, it says XP shop. Click it, go all the way to here, add XP button, interact with it, you'll get some XP. After 10 minutes, grab this coin, and you can destroy these, which have 7,500 health, and the barrier drops every 5 minutes. Alright, you can kill these chickens for 5 coins, and you can kill these men for also 5 coins, and buy it for very large XP. Next, grab the fishing rod, and you can you could use it to buy medium XP, large XP, and very large XP. And after 30 minutes, you can use the huge XP button. Now, another thing is to troll your friends. This is a way. So go to the vault, and you see this button right here. Click it, asterisk, right? And now you get super strength. Boom. Oh yeah. One-shotting builds. Easy as pie, am I right? Boom. Alright, and then you can teleport high for trick shots. It's like, oh, let's go, I just destroyed a build, everyone. Like something like that. Jump on these to go higher. I don't know why I'm saying this. Skin changers, right? Guns. I'm basically teaching you everything about this map. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like this video, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Peace, and I'm out.